In this lesson, you'll learn about several 5.9 enhancements for transactions in Next-Gen Practice Management. The first one we'll explore lets you view transaction notes on the account profile. We'll start by searching for the account for Stephen Wilson. Click Account. In the last name field, type Wilson and click Find. Click Open. Click the Encounters Detail tab. To view the encounter details, you double-click Stephen Wilson. I'll do that for you. We need to see the insurance payment for Encounter 116. Click here. To scroll to this new column, click here. This update makes it easy for you to see encounter information at the account level. A right-click to the header lets you work with this column. I'll do that for you. From this menu, you can turn this new column on or off. Now, let's see the enhancements made to the batch posting window. Click Close. Click Posting. In 5.9, there are 4 new columns on this window. To see them, I'll use another update that lets you resize the window. To do that, you'd simply move your cursor to one of the window's borders or corners. When the mouse pointer changes to a 2-headed arrow, you can drag it to resize the window. Let me show you. Now you can see the new columns. The total paid and adjusted columns pull the data from the batch header, and the ledger payment and adjustments column pull the data from the transaction ledger. The column totals are updated as transactions are applied to the batch. Note that the adjustments will only show if the Enable Batch Balancing with Adjustments option is selected in Transactions Practice Preferences. Also in 5.9, there are 2 new ways to perform searches on this window. The first one allows you to search for specific batches. I'll right-click on the batch posting window, and then click Batch Lookup. Here, you can search on a part of or the whole of any field in a row, and the results will display in the batch posting window. Click Close. There's also a new feature in the transaction ledger. I'll right-click on the batch posting window, and then click Ledger. Now, I'll right-click again, and click Ledger Lookup. The results of anything you search for here will display in the transaction ledger window. Click Close. Those are all the enhancements here, so let's learn about the last one. Click Close. Click Close. The last update allows you to override the process date when using the right-click Reverse Transaction method. Let's open a chart to see this change. Click Chart. To save time, I'll enter the last and first names for you. Click Find. Click Open. Click the Encounters tab. Click the Transactions sub-tab. To reverse a transaction, you'd right-click it. I'll do that for you. Click Reverse Transaction. From this window, you can choose to override the process date for the reverse transaction, which is the current server date. The override date you choose can't be less than the charge process date. You'll also be able to override the process date on a sliding fee batch adjustment. And those are all the 5.9 enhancements for transactions.